Okay, let's look at basic mathematical knowledge. Basic mathematical knowledge. This will help us have a better foundation if we are solving mathematical problems. You know, we have 4 basic operations in mathematics, which are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. These are 4 basic operations in mathematics, and we have other operations that have to do with roots or squares. So what I wish that you should know, which I qualify as the basic mathematical operations, is that you should understand that the sign plus has the inverse of minus. So the opposite of plus is minus. The opposite of plus is minus. You should have that in your mind. That of minus is plus. That of times is division. That of division is times. And that of root is power. Let me use a as the base number, power. So you should have it in your mind that the inverse or the opposite of plus is minus. That of minus is plus. That of times is division. That of division is times. That of root is power. And we have so many types of roots. This is called root. This sign is called root or square root. Root or square root. So if you have a number in the curved part of the root, like 3, this is called cube root, cube root, cube root. And the inverse of cube root will be power 3. If this is called square root or root, I'm using n to mean 2. So I can also say that the inverse of this root is power 2, because this sign is called root or square root. And this is called cube root, which has 3 in it, and the inverse of cube root is power 3. The inverse of 4th root is power 4. The inverse of 5th root is power 5. Why am I showing you all this? It will help you solve basic, simple problems. For instance, if you have x plus 4 is equal to 6 and you're asked to find x, you understand that x has a barrier which is plus 4, but you're asked to find x, so you must remove this plus 4 barrier to the other side of the equation. If that happens, this plus 4, since I said plus 4 has an inverse of minus, plus 4 will have an inverse of minus 4. Since plus has the inverse of minus, plus 4 we have the inverse of minus 4. So when plus 4 is leaving this part of the equation to the other part where we have 6, it will become 6 minus 4. Please do not disrespect numbers. Whatever number we have at the other side of the equation, that number should not be displaced. The number we have here is 6. Let the 6 come before the plus 4 is leaving to meet the 6 at that part. So our answer will be x is equal to 2. Can you see that? If you have x minus 4 is equal to minus 6 or plus 6, let me not use my side, don't get confused, plus 6, and I want this barrier minus 4 to leave to the other part of the equation, x will be equal to 6 plus 4 because it's minus, and I said the inverse of minus is plus. The opposite of minus is plus. Now that we have minus 4 leaving to the other part of the equation, it will become plus 4. So our x will be equal to 6 plus 4, and that will give us 10. I will be dealing with other examples in our next other class that has to do with times and division. See you.